back to my channel. My name is Delene and I usually do videos on luxury goods and sometimes a little bit of makeup and also foundation and skin. But today I am going to be doing a video on one of my favorite purses. Of course, all my bags are one of my favorites. That's why I have them. But it came in this box here. So as you can tell, it is a mini purse, which I love mini purses. And in my purse, or in my box, is this gorgeous beauty here. Now, I have 3 Prada bags and all 3 of them are pink. I don't know how that ended up to be, but I guess they caught my attention and I just love them so much. I tell myself I need black purses. I think the only black bag I have is my Alma BB. And I also have a little small purse like this that I also go out with, and it's got crystals in it. I'll have to show you guys another time. But anyways, this bag here is just gorgeous. I don't know the measurements of it. I try to look it up online, but I can't see it. So I'm gonna measure it for you here, just so you have an idea of what it, the size of it, okay? So there you go there. It's almost 7.5 inches width. And then 4 inches from the top, okay? And then, whoa, 1.5 inches from the bottom. So it's a pretty nice purse. Let me go ahead and open it for you. And it's pretty sturdy too, because as you guys know, Saffiano leather is just amazing. I really like it. So, okay, you guys, I have a $10 bill in here and I have not used this purse in about 3 weeks. So look at that here. So there's a compartment here for dollar bills. That's where I have found my $10 bill. And I stick my phone and my lipstick and my car keys in here if I need. And then there's a slots here for credit cards for 4 of them. And I have an iPhone 6 in it, fits in there. And it still has a little bit of room so I can stick things in there. So see that? So this purse has been pretty handy. I've taken this to New Jersey, but what I did was I stuck this in a backpack of mine. This is the backpack that I purchased. It has like Asian, it's silk and it has an Asian print on there. It's made by State. So it's a pretty cute backpack. Well, I brought this with me. I wasn't sure what bag I was gonna bring with me, but I decided to bring something like this where I can put it on my back because I knew I wanted to go to New York and I wasn't sure if I was gonna carry this backpack in New York. And anyways, so I carried this cutie inside my backpack at the airport, and when I needed it, I would just take this out. And then also when I got to New Jersey and we ran around, I ran around with just this thing here. And when I did go to New York, I did not bring my backpack. I wish I would have. I just brought this little purse. I felt like I needed a little bit more than that, but my father's like, don't bring it. So I didn't. And anyways, let me go ahead and show you what this beautiful purse looks like on. I actually like it, but I'm going to show you what it looks like as a clutch first. I am going to buy a wristlet for it because I've seen some, because I've seen pieces of it on, not eBay, Amazon. So I'm going to go ahead and purchase a little wristlet to go with it so I can just attach it here just so I have versatility. So let me go ahead and show you what this purse looks like on, okay? First, I can use it as a clutch, which I love. So I love that. It's so easy, and I love the fact that it's hot pink and it stands out. And then let me go ahead and show you what it looks like with the straps. And the straps are pretty long, you guys. You know, as you guys know, I'm only 5'2", 114 pounds. I've said that before. So, I guess it's not that bad. It just seems long. So it hits me right below my hip bone. Okay, as you can see here. And then if I want to carry it the other way, like just on my shoulders, there you go. And you guys, it is such a pretty color. It so stands out. And the gold with the hot pink just looks so amazing. The other Prada purse that I have, that's like the Barbie bubblegum color, that one I think is silver, if I can remember correctly. So I thought that was pretty as well. Let me go ahead and get the other bag just so I can just show it to you guys. I found my purse. So here's the other pink purse. I use this one a little bit more often than this one over here because it feels more casual and it's a little bit bigger, but this is definitely what I use when I go out and stuff with my husband or to dinner. And then this beauty here, I just use sometimes on a daily basis. So you can see the difference in color with this. I love them both so much. I am so glad I own them. I actually love Prada. I don't see a lot of the YouTubers that I watch with Prada. I don't know why. I don't know if they're just not as popular. I see more Gucci and Louis Vuitton and Chanel and a little bit of Fendi. So anyways, you guys, thank you guys for watching my video. I so appreciate all y'all's support, and you guys have a wonderful day, and click on that bell, okay, for me, and subscribe, and God bless. Bye.